Dumelang sanibonani apsheni igama lami nguSlim. Welcome to Something Music. Sibuyile futhi ke. And before I start the show, I just want to thank all my subscribers, the people who interact with me, my fans. Thank you very much. Let's keep on growing the show. Let's keep on making sure that everyone is informed and not misinformed. This is Something Music, as you know, and igama lami Muslim so deep. And ngiyabonga abantu abahle ukuthi today nisasenami from the inception until namanje, until nakusasa, until now whenever. Kuyoze kube kude kunaphakade. So we've seen that artists are starting to warm up in releasing the music as we're coming from the festive. Slogo siyangena kanjalo, you know, going into the Easter slogo stay. Yabo, and a lot is happening. I would like to talk about a lot that is happening, but then Sigu Music, the only show that rates, review your music. Bese siyenzeni sikunikeza imfanelo zakho. Asikakashintshi sesephezulu kwa. Today I want to give you mostly the singles and a couple of projects, maybe like an EP or an album one day. Yabo. So we're mixing everything, man. Sishintsha skita ngolunye unyaka. I'm going to give you something that I never thought would happen between Uzonke, Anthony Hamilton. Anthony, So, yeah, that's the single, Let's Make Time. And then we know Uzonke gave us beautiful music, man, back in the days. Abo Love, Abo Ina Ete, Indes Fanana Lezo. And then we know how brilliant she is when it comes to music. So now she gave us something, Anthony Hamilton. I didn't see a lot of reaction, of which Nami, that means I did not react to the music, because we know Siswetu and Sngatin, Grot sister. I can think Namahrot money. So yeah, now Grot sister. So we know how she's doing her music and how she's writing. But on this one, I'm a bit and I can see with Sizonke lana man. I just don't know what to say. The music is not musicking. The combination between you and Anthony is not Anthony. It's super kluyomi la klangan luto. So however, the single is out, and I don't think it will break the boundaries or it will stay Guma charts la eMzansi, so it's not groundbreaking. And loving Usisu Zonke, she gave us beautiful music, but this time I think she's letting us down. She just need to go back to the drawing board. But as you know, we rate you. So this single, I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna rate it 4, just for formalities, and to show your footstep that you are in the music industry. So I'm just gonna give you 4 for formalities. And I'm jumping to the next one. This guy gave us a project that consists of about 12 tracks. This guy, I know, is underrated. His name he's calling himself Digital Sangoma, and I started knowing about him around 2016. Oh man, he's beautiful in terms of how he produces his music. He's giving us something that is more refreshing. If you know the alternative sound, he's giving us something like that. And if you have ever listened to Ubongeziwe Mabandla, I think they roll in the same direction. Or if you have listened to Nakane Tore, actually I would actually base him Nakane Tore, because him and Nakane Tore, they're making similar music, and which is here in South Africa, the market for alternative music, it's not that big. But if he can go abroad, I'm sure he will make it. Digital Sangoma, beautiful project, man. I love your music. I've always been a fan of your music. My favorite track on that album is track number 1. Yeah, Road Back Home isn't there anymore. So the Road Back Home isn't there anymore. So meaning siya move as much waya siya pambili. So that's a beautiful song. Look out for that one. And then track number 9, Nkeshemba. It's also a beautiful song. That's one of my favorite. And track number 10, it's Come Home Again. So Road Back Home isn't there anymore, and then we're coming back home again. I see what you did there. Digital Sangoma, beautiful album, man. I love it. I hope you can prosper. I hope people can listen to your music, because I've looked at the streaming platforms. I don't see people receiving it nicely. Maybe they still yet to learn about the genre alternative, and I just wish that they can quickly learn so that they can go back to your music before you grow bigger and bigger into your catalog, and they might miss some of the stuff. So this one, my brother, I respect you, how you respect, looking at from me following you on social media, how you handle yourself and all that. Big up to you, man. Digital Sangoma, this one I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Big up to you, man. When it comes to the alternative sound and the way the effects have been infused, your flangers, your echo, your reverb, everything that has been used. Actually, the crafting of the album, the production, just push it, man. Give it a marketing. pump more money into marketing. Sia the B. Oh, nice one. Yeah, Sia the B. It's a Bacardi. Katsiba na or maybe Spitori, abona judge, but anyway, judge hanya ni mola limola was one tar. So Sia the B, he dropped an album, Bacardi, Bitori. There's nothing you can miss about Bacardi or divide between Bacardi and Bitori. Bacardi, Lee, Bitori. So my favorite songs there's two of them. Maybe it's because I'm not familiar with the sound that much, but then to be honest with you, I love the sound. Kerata zigupu sa tengi, boma R5 wanswar. So track number 1, Iriso Shanguve. I know he's got Bopori there and all the other guys. Nice. I see Pori is jumping into Amapiano, he's jumping into Bacardi. Now he's going on Afrotech. But I see Kongo Pori is Lango Sia. Sia the P. Nice one, Jayam. It's Siali Anza. Zigupu siyatela vyanu. Zigupu sela siyatela. Wanswar. But then anyway, since you know our tabugi like we review, we rate. It's a beautiful album. It's refreshing to the ear. But then this one I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 because then there's a few songs that I've skipped. Listen to the first beat in the middle and then the outro. Then I skip. I say alright, but then my two favorite songs there is track number 1 and track number 8. Let's now move to Le KwaZulu Natal, Gwelga Banana. There's a young man by the name of Nkeshemba. He also released a project. So the project haike ukhipha umsebenzi oncomekayo ndoda yakithi ukwanda kwaliwa umthakathi. The album yakhe ithi Imikhonto. I love the album from the first track until to the last track. It's a beautiful album. Ngizibona nje ngibambe N3 ngiyahla lapha eMajuba, lapha kuMajuba district ngiyahla lapha hayi ngithelile Quantum. But then ngiyayithanda ialbum yakhe and umfethu ungenzele into lapha encomekayo ngoba mongathi uyawulalela umculo wakhe umongenelela very deep. There's a bit of respect, there's a bit of constructive message, there's a bit of ukuhlangana kwabantu, there's a bit of fun. Ikhuluma nawo wonke umuntu nje okhona ezweni, umncane umdala, usukhulile usugugile, you will relate. So Nkeshemba mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu. Angifuni nje ukuloku futhi ngiyidida ngishona le na le ngiyakuphi lena mngani wami. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. This is a beautiful album and especially from a young chap like you. Lena nginikeza 10 naphezulu kwelinye 10. Ngiyabonga mfethu. Awuthi ngidlule kanjalo ungasahlalanga kakhulu. I'm gonna go to NewMusic. NewMusic gave us something good, something bad, something hot, something cold, but cold. Young tall. So NewMusic, his album consists of about 12 tracks. I just don't know where to stand with this album because now there's only 2 tracks that caught me. When you are featured from other projects, ukhipha unyawo. But when it's your project, inyawo alisaphumi. Kanjani? Tshela mina mi out. Kanjani? So only two tracks that I actually love and I can jam to those tracks. The rest, mganam, it was just copy and paste. The rest it was copy and paste. Move a few elements there and there. The production was pop. You know, but anyway, I'm not trashing you, but then I'm trying to give also my my perspective as a music consumer and as a music producer also, you know, and as a DJ also. So I need to when I get your album, I must be able to play track number 8, track number 1, track number 10, track number 18. Young told, but on this one I only have 2 tracks. They are not my favorite, but then they caught me. It's track number 4, Ibizuguti Sabela, which I know Zintle, which is a beautiful song. Uzintle, Z_Ntle, Uzintle. So this is a beautiful track. Maybe if you can push this one, maybe the album or the project ingabamba umlilo. But then now another one, it's track number 9. Track number 9, you're with Ubabala M. That's a beautiful song. I can bang that song every now and then. I think it's a registration number 321KTLGP. That's the name of it. The song is track number 9. And then I do not want you to think that I don't listen to the album. I just go to this track and this track. I listen to each and every sound, every track, how you lace it, how you build it up, how you bridge it, how you exit from the song. I do listen to all those things. And then which elements are annoying, which elements are good. If this one you could have brought it forward, then it was going to make more sense. the patting of your log drum, your sub bass, those kind of things, your dragging bass, those kind of, I listen to those things. But then asambe again, track number 9 mfethu, you outdid yourself. I wish you did not release an album or this 12 track project, or release a track number 9 as your single. Believe me, it was going to put you somewhere. Maybe the next step. But then Mr. Nacho, thank you very much. This one I'm going to rate it 4. Yeah, for formalities, ukhoneke imini, I'm sure uzama ukugcwalisa i-catalog, but then ngiyadlula lapha. Angizanga ngokuphi. Ngilokhu ngihamba ngiyadlula njengenality. We're going to our next segment, which is timeless music. I'm not sure whether you still remember African Woman by Shimza. Timeless. African woman, you. That's the music by Shimza. So that's my timeless music. And then the plug of the week for me now. This week, Male, just go back, listen to Male. And I know she's got something out. I'm going to check it out, review it. And then on our next episode, and then I'm going to give you the review, Yaga Male. But my plug of the week for Vandaag, Male. So anyway, if you want to catch me, you can catch me on Instagram, Facebook, Nothing Changes, Slim So Deep. And then please, Bafetu, don't forget to subscribe, share, and make sure this thing goes viral. Share nomngane wakho, share nomunye, clip nyana, siloko siyapushana njengabantu abasha. So ngiyabonga kakhulu bantu abahle, bengisacela ukuyivala lento lena. Ngithi ngiyabonga bantu abahle.